romantic kiss, so you can cross me off that list. But if you're unsure, I insist you.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today I have a couple of products that I picked up from the JACLYN Hill launch. You guys, I'm so excited. I got my box right here and I'm gonna open it and we'll see what the products look like. I am so excited because when I got to the website, there was only like 2 or 3 shades available for like my skin tone, and I was like, oh my god, am I just not gonna be able to get anything? And I was so surprised once I put the things on my cart and I did buy it and I was lucky to get them. I was so excited, and once I saw this in my mail, I was like, yes baby, I want to open it. And here's what the box looks like inside. It says JACLYN, and then it has this paper right here. It says quantity one item. I only picked 2 things because, like I said, I wasn't able to get more, and I didn't want to get like shades that were not gonna be matching me, because I was gonna be like, how am I gonna use them if they don't match me? But they come up like this very nicely, and they have another bubble in here. Okay, so the first item I have right here is the highlighter Illuminator. It says this super creamy highlighter gives you light with every swipe. So that's what it says right there. JACLYN Cosmetics, and it has the color right here. It says Sparks. We'll see how that looks. I don't know, I don't even know if that will be right for me either, because you know, going through the website, you never know. Oh my god, this is so luxurious. Looks like this, and it has like a J kind of gray stuff, and it says JACLYN on top, and right on the bottom it says Sparks Highlighter Illuminator, or that, I think. So opens like that. It has a nice mirror and it looks so nice. Let me swatch it for you guys. And it's so silky smooth, so nice. Look at that, you guys. It's so intense. So it's just, I have some swatches right here, but don't pay attention. I'm just gonna put it right in there. Oh my god, you guys, look so nice. I'm so happy. I'm just gonna try it a little bit on, because I feel like I need more highlighter in my life. I always need more highlighter. So we'll try it right here. I already have some, but we'll see. BH Cosmetics on number 4. Just grabbing a little bit of that. And I'm gonna dab it first because I don't want to go crazy on it. It's so nicely smooth, you guys. So beautiful. It is all that glow that you need. I love it. You guys, it's very good. Trust me. I don't take this lightly. If it's good, it's good, and if it's not good, I'm sorry. But this is good. This is what I was looking for today and couldn't find in my collection. So if you were looking for a nice highlighter, this will definitely be it. I have a little too much right now. Let me blend that out. You can definitely blend that out if you wanted to. Oh my god, it's so pretty, you guys. I love it. Again, it looks like this. And it's gorgeous, you guys. It's gorgeous. I love that I picked this shade, because definitely the one that would match me the best. I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead as well. Oh my god, this formula, it's on point. It's amazing. I really enjoy this formula, and I have heard that Becca is closing their doors, so I feel like this is the next step up to those highlighters. If you miss them, I'm sure you're gonna be so happy with this ones because they're really good. All right, stop rambling about that one, and let's jump into this compact. It says JACLYN Hill Cosmetics with a little raise up here. Then it says Bronze Blushing Duo, and this one is in the color Pinch Me Up and Oh Honey. So, and right here it says build a flawlessly blended sun-kissed bronze look with this blurring bronzer and blush shades. So we'll see about that. So far, oh my god, the highlighter will be a staple for me, and if I knew other shades will match me good, I would just pick more colors because those are stunning. Oh my god, you guys, this looks so luxurious, and yes, it does seem a little bit bulky, but has a nice weight to it and looks very beautiful and very bougie. All right, and has a nice size mirror. Looks like that. Oops. What was that? Looks like this, you guys, and I feel like the colors are stunning in here, so we'll try this ones as well. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys first. I'm gonna grab this blush and then the bronzer. They feel so silky smooth, so thin, so I can't describe them. But those are the colors right there. Let me do a better job. There you go. I feel for my skin tone it is going to match, and we'll try it right now. We'll see. I do have a little bit of bronzer going on, but can't wait to test this out. So I'm gonna grab for my bronzer, I'm gonna grab my Morphe brush. This looks like that, and I'm gonna go in lightly. This is so pretty. It does blend like a dream, like butter, you guys. It looks so beautiful on the skin. It's beautiful, you guys. I love this. I don't know about the other shades and how much lighter or darker they go, but this is like a beautiful shade for me. I wish I could have grabbed more to show you guys the differences, but it went by so quickly I couldn't put my hands on it. I'm gonna grab a brush like this, and this one also from Morphe. I'm gonna grab the blush and I'm gonna put that right in here. The blush is also so beautiful. I love it. I love it, you guys. It's beautiful. I feel so proud for JACLYN to just have done this so nicely. I feel like this is a great launch that will put her in a great spot, because we all know what happened with her and her lipsticks, which I never experienced because at that time I wasn't interested on buying lipsticks or anything like that. But now that I see these products, they're beautifully done, they're stunning on the skin, they give you the most beautiful glow and perfection. I feel like this is perfection, and I kind of wish I can put my hands in some more products like this. So if you ever see this video, please bring these products again. If I'm sure that if you now have a spot on Ulta and all that, you probably bring more and more beautiful products. So I'm just waiting for you to create them so I can use them because they are amazing. Congratulations to you, Jaclyn, and I hope you guys can see this. And here they are again. They are truly stunning. If you were looking for a bronzer and a blush, you can't get them. Especially these ones, but you can always go to Ulta. I am sure that it will be available in there. I just went through the website, but if you go to Ulta, they were just recently launched again. I think it was the 7th or the 8th, I'm not sure, but you will probably find something like this for you. This is stunning, stunning. And as well as the highlighter is very beautiful. It will look beautiful in your vanity. It will look beautiful on your skin. Wherever you put them, they are stunning. I love them. And I don't say that to any products. If they're really good, I'm most likely gonna say, okay, they're good. But if they're bad, I'm just gonna tell you. So trust me, these are good, and you will never lose your money if you spend them on this, because they're really nice. I love them, and I want to put my hands on more products like this. So until the next video, you guys, I will see you, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and for more try-ons with me. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one.
Keep me on a little longer. I'd like to like you like before, but first I've got to be sure, because if